We're going to fire it up. We're going to go level 1, 2, 3. Are you with me? Hello, everyone. Ryan here. Silly Reviews, the reseller, the retailer, the supplier gods have blessed me again. What do we have here? Roedix air duster, cordless, portable, powerful, USB charging, 2000 milliamp, however you say that, battery. It's going to bust up with some strong wind, but yet a lightweight design. This is the Roedix AD33. Link is in the description. VogueMall.com. I've mentioned that before. They have really exciting gadgets. You can use this. Use it in your house. Use it in your car. Use it on your computer. That's going to be the most popular application, right? You're going to use this on your computer. You're going to dust out that case, that gaming case. You're going to dust off the keyboard. You're going to give maintenance to those circuit boards, okay? Keep your circuit board dust free. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside one more time. When you search for this, or you can use the link in the description, Roedix AD33. It's electronic air duster, you guys. This is a money saver. So excited to have it. You pop it open. You got your user manual, perfectly beautiful, clear English right there. Three different speed settings on this daddy. You can see the contents of the packaging. You've got all the accessories, the tips. You've got the charging cord. What more could you want? The different wattage that it uses, level 1, 2, 3, 60, 70, and 96 watts. Could you imagine 96 watts of air blowing power, taking care of all your little odds and ends, your little to-dos? Yeah, you get the case, you get the nice pouch, drawstrings, pop that open. Now you got the machine, nice feel to it, solid. You know it's going to be that plastic. I don't know if it's ABS plastic or what it's called, but feels good. You've got some light indicators we can already see right here. We got a toggle for the power, up, down, built-in light, boom, bam. Really make sure you can see what you're doing. This button right here, that's going to adjust. Careful with that. If you're going to take it up to level 3, you better be ready. Okay. Now this one, unlike others, some of these, they can suck and they can blow. This one's only going to take care of your needs and it's going to blow. Okay. Easy enough. You look inside this bag, you're going to find all your attachments. Let's see what we can find. That's all the attachments you need, plus that USB-C cord. USB-C. I'll tell you what, machines like this, if you see a micro USB, I would run. You know those female parts, they break off the board. You don't want that. Get the USB-C type. That's exactly what this is. Attachments, got wide and wider. Also got a long boy. I love the long boys. Got the thin for that really super jet stream of air. Attachments galore. They're all here. I know you want to see me fire it up. Don't forget what we're looking at right here. We're looking at the Roedix, the air duster, the AD33. Let's fire it up, you guys. Let's make a mess. Here we go. I'm going to put on the thin attachment. That gives you that jet stream. That's what we like. Mostly going to use this to clean components, computers, laptops, open them up, get the dust out. Make sure they're running efficiently. Replace cans of air. They're wasteful. They're bad for the environment. They're bad for your wallet because they're so freaking expensive nowadays. I'm just going to start blowing stuff away. We're going to try to clear off this counter right here and let's see what happens. What else going to put up here? Boom. We're going to fire it up. We're going to go level 1, 2, 3. Are you with me? Should have a power indicator right here. It looks like 4 LEDs. So I'd imagine 4 is 100%, 75%, so on and so on. Let's fire it. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Don't forget, got the LED light. Level 1. Blow all that shit right off the counter. Out of here. Level 2. Oh my God. Level 3. Oh, that was level 3. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. What are you waiting for? You're probably like me. Oh, I'm going to get one day when the price goes down, when the reviews get better. There is no disappointment here. This thing has the power and it's going to save you money in the long run. And there's so many applications for it. Detail your car, get in the cracks, get in the crevices, clean your keyboard, maintain that daddy. Okay. When you start pressing on the keyboard and your most common letters, maybe you spilt some crumbs in there, dust gets in there. Now you go to press the letter D. And the D just keeps on typing. That's because it's dirty in there. Clean it. Clean it. Unreal. Get out of here. So I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up, most definitely. That's the Roedix. You know the model number. I already said it, AD33. Get in there. One of these up, link in the description. I'm Ryan. Silly Reviews with another 2 thumbs up review for the Roedix AD33 Air Duster. It's cordless. It's portable. It's powerful, and I just proved it here. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching.
Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.